In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Word on your laptop, PC, or computer. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can get Word installed safely and correctly. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common issues. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the very top, type in office.com or microsoft.com and press enter. This takes you to Microsoft's official website, which is the safest place to download Word and the rest of the Office apps. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In option. If you already have a Microsoft account, go ahead and sign in with your existing email and password. If you don't have an account yet, choose the option to create a new account. Creating an account is free, and it's required to download and activate Word. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and remember to use an email address you can access easily because you may need to verify it. After you're signed in, you'll usually see a dashboard with various Microsoft apps. Look for an option like Install Office or Install Apps. Click on that, and then choose the version that includes Word. Often this is part of Microsoft 365, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. If you're using a school or work account, your organization may already provide a license, and you'll see the Install button right away. When you click Install, your browser will start downloading the setup file. This file is usually saved in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open that file. If a security prompt appears asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. This is normal for software installation. The Microsoft Office installer will now open. It will automatically download and install Word and any other apps included with your subscription or license. Make sure your internet connection is stable and avoid shutting down your computer during this process. You'll see a progress bar, and this may take several minutes depending on your connection speed. When the installation finishes, you can close the installer. Now, open the Start menu on your laptop or PC and search for Word. Click on Microsoft Word to launch it. The first time you open it, you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account again to activate the product. Once that's done, you're ready to start creating and editing documents on your computer.